Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have one of the biggest and most exciting confirmations in the world of compact filmmaking. Yes, it's finally official. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is confirmed, and the amount of new technology packed inside this tiny device will absolutely shock you. In this video, we're breaking down every leak, every confirmed detail, expected features, price, release timeline, and the upgrades that make the Pocket 4 a game changer for vloggers, filmmakers, travelers, and content creators. So stay with me till the end, because the Pocket 4 is easily one of the most powerful handheld cameras ever created. DJI has finally confirmed that a new generation of the Osmo Pocket is coming. This is a big moment, because the Pocket 3 already impressed the world with its large 1-inch sensor, amazing low-light performance, and super stable gimbal system. But according to early confirmation statements and industry insiders, the Pocket 4 brings a massive jump in hardware performance, especially in sensor size, AI features, and stabilization. The confirmation signals two things. One, DJI is doubling down on compact filmmaking. Two, the Pocket 4 is coming sooner than expected and the upgrades are real. Let's talk about the design. The Osmo Pocket series is known for its extremely compact body, and the Pocket 4 continues that tradition but with a twist. Early design previews suggest a slightly thicker body for improved cooling, a redesigned grip for better handheld comfort, a bigger display, possibly 3 inches instead of 2, a more durable gimbal arm with faster response motors. This new build supports the upgraded sensor and the higher recording formats that we'll discuss shortly. DJI is also focusing on heat management, allowing longer 4,000 and possibly 6K recording without overheating. Now let's get into the heart of this device, the camera sensor. The biggest confirmation we have is a new, larger sensor. According to leaks and DJI insiders, the Pocket 4 may feature a 1.2-inch or even slightly larger sensor, improved dynamic range, better low-light performance, higher megapixel count, quad-pixel technology for sharper images. This sensor size would put the Pocket 4 ahead of many smartphones and even challenge compact cameras. A larger sensor means cleaner video, smoother background blur, more detail in shadows, and overall more cinematic. Should something filmmakers have always wanted in such a tiny device. The lens may also get an upgrade, wider field of view, better distortion control, improved aperture, possibly f1.6 for low-light shooting. Overall, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to deliver professional-grade image quality in a device that literally fits in your pocket. Here's where things get really exciting. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to support 4,000 at 120 fps, 6,000 at 30 fps, or possibly 6K 60 fps, 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG, higher bitrate recording, better color accuracy, improved HDR video mode. Many creators have been waiting for higher slow-motion performance, and Pocket 4 may finally deliver true 4K 120 fps in a pocket camera. Another major leak is RAW video support, which would allow advanced color grading and professional workflows. Even if RAW is limited, the Pocket 4 is still confirmed to include stronger color science and an advanced video engine powered by AI. The Osmo Pocket series is famous for its true mechanical gimbal stabilization. With the Pocket 4, DJI is introducing faster 4th-generation gimbal motors, smoother tilt and pan transitions, better object tracking stability, enhanced shake compensation for running or action shots. This will put it far ahead of smartphone stabilization and even challenge some larger gimbal systems. Creators will be able to shoot cinematic, Hollywood-style shots without carrying heavy equipment. AI is becoming a huge part of cameras, and DJI is about to push it further. The Pocket 4 is expected to include Advanced Active Track 7.0, AI face tracking improvements, automatic subject switching, real-time audio enhancement, smart composition suggestions, AI slow motion enhancement, auto framing for vlogging. One exciting feature being tested is AI auto editing inside the device, meaning you can record clips and the Pocket 4 will automatically produce short, ready to upload videos. The Pocket 3 had good microphones, but the Pocket 4 is expected to include multi-microphone array for 3D audio, better wind noise reduction, USB-C microphone support, wireless microphone integration with the DJI Mic 2. This means better sound straight out of the device, perfect for vloggers and travelers who want to record without carrying extra audio gear. Battery life is getting a boost too. The Pocket 4 may feature a larger internal battery, faster charging, longer 4K recording sessions, better heat distribution, support for larger micro SD cards. The device is expected to offer up to 2 hours of continuous 4K recording, depending on the mode. Based on current confirmations and trends, here's what we expect. Expected price: $499 to $599 for the base version. Combo kits may go up to $799. Expected release window: official launch likely early 2025 or sooner depending on DJI's schedule. The confirmation suggests that DJI is in the final phase of production testing. So that's everything we know so far about the officially confirmed DJI Osmo Pocket 4 with a larger sensor, upgraded stabilization, improved AI, better audio, and new recording formats. This is shaping up to be one of the most powerful compact cameras ever released. If you're a content creator, traveler, vlogger, or filmmaker, this device could completely transform how you shoot on the go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and breakthroughs.